Hey everyone, you're watching day 2 of the archive footage from that was shown originally through Facebook Live on site in Chicago for Star Wars Celebration. This is the last day that we have before the public arrival on the Thursday to get everything done. We arrived super early on the morning on 9 o'clock. And then we did some driving around, going to Dick Blick's to get some extra art supplies that we had ordered. We went to get some last minute stuff, like containers and different things at Target, etc. And so that's what you'll see a little bit in today's coverage. The quality is not the best because it was through Facebook Live, and so I apologize on that end, but it's better to have it archived and that you could see what it's like to work at the workshop or what it looks like before the public arrives than not seeing it at all. I will have better quality HD video that I filmed with the camcorder in a separate post later on. And so for now, you're going to be watching day 2 coverage of what I filmed live on site. My name is Frank Diorio, and you're watching DioramaWorkshop.com. Hello. Hey everyone, Frank Diorio here. We are Wednesday, the day before celebration. This is the first video I'm making for a live update of where we're at. We've been setting up since 8 o'clock this morning. Well, no, actually that's lying. 8 o'clock we went to meet for breakfast at the hotel, and then 9 o'clock we came here. So not much has changed on this area over here, which obviously makes sense because this is the diorama display. Nothing will be put here until the fans start building the items. What we're doing today is we're concentrating on last minute shopping. We just came back from Target and Dollar Store. We have one of the volunteers, Daniel Lowe, is at Home Depot getting the last paints for the ocean colors, and the booths are starting to set up. We have over here the Ruby's costumes. They're starting to unveil some of the products that they're having over there, and there's just total sort of like construction chaos everywhere, all the loud noise, and it's a lot of fun. And anyhow, that's over there. So let me flip the camera and I'm going to show you a little bit what's going on in our side over here. So let's just flip here. So we've been playing with the foam core. Here's all of the templates. We're finishing the bunker templates over here. What's that? Yes. And then here's one of the prototypes that we have rebuilt. And what we're going to be doing is identifying these pieces for you when you're going to be constructing, because usually I have blueprints like this that are done in the past, but I haven't had time to finish them cleanly, but I will do them for the website after the show. So now we're building all of these prototypes that the fans are going to be building. We're doing one of each of these in order to have them on display. If I go into the work zone where everyone is working hard, here's some of the new materials we got. Hair curlers for tower spikes and different things like that. Is it working? Yes, let's go around. We just plugged in the TV. We're painting one of the towers here. We have our friend Susan.
Hi.
And you were working on the Hot Wheels Diorama Builders last year as well, right? That you helped building, yes. Then we have all the tiles painted here, waiting, like they're just drying. We're waiting for the blue water to arrive from Daniel in Home Depot. We realized yesterday that we hadn't received that. These are all the examples that we're going to be putting in the front for people to build, but when you look at it from really far away, it's really going to be amazing. Here we have my giant tower for the Citadel that I built in Montreal. This, not Montreal, that's my old address. I keep saying Montreal. So now I'm going to hot glue this right after the video. And then we have, if I come over here, we have a TV at the entrance that we installed. And so this is going to be playing all of the videos that I filmed for the YouTube channel that explain all what's happening, what the people are going to be expecting to see and all that. So that's really fun. Here's, I'm going to tag Susan. And so let's go over here. Cut sponges. Yes, Alyssa?
I was talking to Brent.
Oh, Brent. Okay, sorry. Let's spin over here. Here we have an example of what we were talking about. Oh, here's the little train tram that's just finished. This will be going from the bunker and in that train track kind of thing. So here's an example what I was trying to explain. This is one of the bunkers, and these are templates that we're going to be giving to the people. So when you say I want to build a template, when you say I want to build a bunker, we're going to give you all these pieces, and then you're going to trace every piece onto your piece of foam core, and then you're going to go to one of your stations over here, and then you're going to be cutting all the pieces and then build it together like if it was a model. And then here we have Jim's shuttle again. This is being taken apart in order to build a version in foam core. And over here, what was done here? We're trimming the foam cores over here with JC. And then we have all the signage here almost ready to be mounted on the back. There's some foam core there. I don't know what that is. We're waiting for a spray mount to finish these signs. And that's pretty much it. It doesn't seem very exciting because we're only at 2 o'clock now or something. Look, there's the Star Wars Kids thing being placed over here. And yeah, you're starting to see all of the booths set up. It's really cool. There's a lot of excitement here today, the day before the public arrives. It's exciting, but it's also panicking because you have to make sure that everything's ready on time. And so yeah, so 1:30, 2 o'clock now, I think. I'm gonna have a bagel, and then we're gonna attack this till about 9 o'clock tonight. And then tomorrow, when you guys arrive, let's get it on. I'll be doing some videos. I'll do one more video at the end of the day to show you how the prototypes look and all the different things like that. So stay tuned for that. I'll talk to you later. Frank Diorio, dioramaworkshop.com. Talk to you soon. Hey everyone. Frank Diorio, dioramaworkshop.com. Welcome to our Wednesday final review, or final preview, I should say, of tomorrow's grand opening of StarWarsCelebration.com. Everyone is pretty much gone. Everything is like lots of booths still not set up, and that'll be tomorrow last minute, I guess. We are exhausted. It's a long day on the day before. We are 15 minutes before they kick us out, so we don't have much time left. So I thought I would give you a quick recap of what is happening. So let me show you what we built and what we have done this afternoon since I last talked to you. I'll flip the camera. So here we have Chris's shuttle in 70% complete version. There we go. Yeah, it looks really cool. We have all of the foam core over here. Well, not foam core, but this is styrofoam. All cut up for tomorrow for drying. Yeah, this shuttle you've seen already. Jim's shuttle over here. Very cool. And then Mark has been very busy mounting all of the signs. Lots of signs to mount. They're all like drawing. These are like some of the signs that go caution. Paint stains, messy stains could cause clothes. My favorite one is there's this one, warning. X-Acto blades can cause severe cuts if used improperly. We have to give all these warnings to people. Severe burns for if you use your hot glue, so we have that. And then we have all these signs that were mounted as well. We have signs like this over here. Corey, did you go pick up your badge? I had left it at the hotel for you. You have to send me a PM, okay? So we have the painting, we have the tile tips and all the different things like that. Then we have the classes, we have multiple versions of the choose your scenes, your models, if you want to have extra help, all of my video, QR codes. Then here we have all of the signs for registration and all the different things. And then we have this, of course, paint all of the $2,500 FFG figures. God, I'm losing my voice. I went to buy some cough drops today, and it's like I haven't even started the convention and I'm feeling sick already. This is really cool. It's hard to see because it's black, so everything is black on black. This is the tower that we were building. I'm going to show you. Jamie is what, 6'4"?
6'5".
6'5", and then the tower, and it's still missing the top part over here. And so we just finished recreating all of the different things over here and there. And technology is really scary, eh? Like all I did was show you next to the thing, and it says, "Do you want to tag Jamie Silla?"
It's tracked everywhere.
Okay, so then. This we've just finished now. We had some issues with the scaling. I couldn't even figure out my own instructions, which is a bad case of when you get old of not knowing what you're doing. So tomorrow we have to do the whole base part and then just start doing the detailing with the fans. But we wanted the skeleton to be done, and so that the people who want to come help us to do all the detailing, the skins, and then we're going to paint it all. Oh, there they put the top. All that's missing is the dish. How tall? It will be 8 feet, eh? When it's like done, even 9, and
on
then
top of the table, another 2 or 3.
Yeah,
right?
so like 10. It'll be like even bigger. Here we have at the sort of like the opening, we have a TV. I told you that already. So this is some videos from our past conventions that are playing in loop over here, and then the kids today they built the examples for the. This is the straight jungle example over here, and then this is a corner, and then this is, they turned the lights off of the convention because they want us to leave, so that's why everything is so dark. And then we have the palm trees with the jungle, and then the example of the jungle floor. And then tomorrow we can put some, Alyssa, we can put some of those little bushes on the full one too. Maybe it's like, if we have time. Then we have templates that we have cut out to give to people. Here we have a box of plants. Look at all of these aquarium plants. This is all to make the bushes for the show. I just made a big mess. And hey Daniel, thank you so much again for coming to help today. It was very appreciated. Then we have examples over here for water, beach, ocean. This was all painted from the kids. It was really, really cool. Oh, we have a contamination alert, contamination. Here's the sponges. And then we have all the preparation for the foam, all the stuff like that. Here's one of the models for the wide tower. This has still to be weathered. And then over here we have the tall tower, which still has to be weathered. So if we put them here in the light, these will be 2 of the towers that fans and people will have the option to build. Then if we go in this area, we have like the preparation for the people's coconuts. We have things for the tower, towers. We got these little baggies, little model kits for micro beach scenes. And Howard, I can't wait for you to see how it looks in person. You're going to be very impressed, and I know you're going to have fun. Here's all the foam core pieces in order to help build. And then Janelle's working on one of these little prototype things. We still have a prototype to put together. We have a portion of the head that is done. It's missing a couple of things, but I think you could recognize it. And then see if you put it here like this. This is the back. Hold on, let me turn it upside down. So there's the head, body with the feet, and then that'll be builds that we'll be placing around. And what else do we have? That's pretty much it. I don't know what that is over here, but it's cool to see across from the ocean. But again, here is the exit to the concourse. So where the person is there walking there, this person, that's where people are coming in. So the cool thing is that when they come in, as you can see, the first thing they're going to see is us. So we can't complain at all about the positioning of where the things are. There is the Anavos booth with all of the cool new products and masks that they're doing. And as you can see over here, they even kept their secret product hidden with like this big black blanket, so we can't even see that. And then Ruby's covered all of their stuff as well, and it's like deep. I haven't even had time to go look. I'm gonna flip it. I haven't had time to really go explore and look around yet the whole convention today because we were so busy setting up, which is always the case. So anyway, so that's what happened today. Tomorrow the public arrives at 1 o'clock, I think. We're still going to be here at 8. Well, we're going to meet to get a coffee at 8. I need my coffee. And then at 9 we're going to be here finishing the setting up. And after that, it's going to be pretty much waiting for the public to come, and the first buildings of the Battle of Scarif Diorama are going to start. And I'll be doing some live updates of that as we go along. So that's it. We are going to leave now because the security guards, I think we're the only ones left in the building apart from maybe 1 or 2 security people or cleaning crew. Always the case. This time we were smart and we brought some pizza into the booth so we could eat at 7 o'clock. We don't have to wait till 11 like yesterday. And anyway, so that's it. I hope I'm going to see you tomorrow, those who are in Chicago for the show. Make sure to find me. I have some really cool pins to give you, and the people who are going to come build, you'll get your first bracelet. Here's my K2SO. Oh, it's upside down. Let me flip the camera. There we go. Well, it's still upside down, but if I go like this, my K2SO recruit bracelet, Scarif 2019 Diorama Workshop. That is for the people who were nice enough to send their applications to come volunteer. Those are getting the black K2SO bands that no one else is getting, so good for you. And tomorrow, I don't even remember what the first band is, but you'll find out. I'll do an update as soon as the people start arriving. I'll probably do one live update in the morning before and final setup, and then one while the people are building, and one at night, most likely. So anyway, I am Frank Diorio, DioramaWorkshop.com, as you may know, and I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye. And again, thanks for everyone who came to help me today with the setup. I really, really appreciate it. Me and the crew. So you saved us a lot of time. So I'll talk to you tomorrow, guys. Okay? Good night. Bye. Thanks for watching DioramaWorkshop.com. If you want more interactivity, you can follow us on these multimedia platforms. If you have a question about past or future Star Wars Celebration workshops, send me an email at dioramaworkshop.com@gmail.com. If you have a Facebook account, join the official Star Wars Celebration Diorama Builders fan club today. If you like the video, please subscribe, share, and tell your friends to come check us out. If you want to see even more Star Wars Celebration crew coverage, click on the link to warp to dioramaworkshop.com. the official Star Wars Celebration Diorama Builders website.